Hello! Do you want to become an expert in creating risk management documents from scratch, such as PFMEA, DFMEA, fault tree analysis, or preliminary hazard analysis, and other documents for medical device and pharmaceutical companies? Do you want to have an in-depth understanding of regulatory standards such as ISO 14971, EU 2017 745 MDR, 21 CFR 820, SOR 98282, and ISO 13485? Do you want to be proficient in what Food and Drug Administration or FDA auditors are looking for while doing quality audits for risk management activities? Look no further, because our course has got you covered. Our online course will teach you everything there is to know to become a subject matter expert in risk management and quality management system within the medical device and pharmaceutical industry. Regardless of your current skills and experience, after taking this course, you'll be comfortable communicating with experts in medical device industry regarding QMS and risk management standard and regulations. Our easy-to-follow content and real-world examples will make you a pro at drafting complex risk management documents such as PFMEA, DFMEA, benefit risk analysis, post-market surveillance reports, clinical effect analysis reports from scratch. Knowing these skills will set you apart from the crowd and will land you a six-figure job in a reputed medical device company. You'll be well-versed in rules and regulations and standards from medical device industry across the world, such as ISO 14971, which is an international standardization organization, and 21 CFR 820 from US, and RDC 40 2015 from Brazil, EU 2017 745 MDR from European Union, MHLW MO 169 from Japan, and TGR 2002 from Australia, and be able to talk about them in meetings, interviews, and even with auditors. You'll learn how process like complaint reviews, corrective and preventative maintenance or CAPA, process validation, equipment qualification ties into risk management and why companies need to do these activities. Whether you're just getting started into risk management or want to freshen up your new skills or are looking to advance in your career, this course can provide you with more than enough knowledge to be on the top 5% in your organization. Enroll in our course today and become an expert in risk management and quality management system for medical device and pharmaceutical companies. With no prerequisite required and easy to follow curriculum, this course is perfect for professionals looking to be promoted or looking into the medical device and pharmaceutical industry. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon.